Welcome to a quick and practical guide on turning on vibration for reminders on Instagram. If you've ever missed a reminder because your phone was silent, this simple tweak will help you stay on top of your tasks with a gentle buzz you can feel. First, open your phone's main settings. It's the place where all the essential controls live, from wallpaper to powerhouse privacy options. Once you're in settings, look for apps. This is where your installed programs are managed, and it's the gateway to fine-tuning how each app behaves. In apps, scroll through your list and select Instagram. This takes you to a dedicated page for the app with options that affect how Instagram sends alerts, notifications, and updates. You'll see a section labeled Notifications, and this is where the magic happens. Tap Notifications to reveal the different channels Instagram uses to alert you. Notification categories are the layered options that control specific types of alerts, such as messages, reminders, likes, and comments. By diving into these categories, you can tailor your experience so you only get alerted in the ways you prefer. Now, find reminders within the notification categories. This is the specific channel where Instagram can nudge you with reminder alerts, whether for saved posts, event reminders, or other timely prompts. Selecting reminders brings up the individual settings for this category. Look for the vibration option and toggle it on. Enabling vibration ensures that every reminder from Instagram will give your device a tactile cue in addition to any sound or banner you've set. If you want to customize further, you can combine vibration with a soft notification sound or a quiet banner so you have multiple cues without being disruptive. With vibration turned on, you'll notice a more reliable awareness of reminders, especially when you're in a noisy environment or away from your screen. This small adjustment can make a big difference in staying organized and responsive throughout your day. If you ever want to refine this further, you can revisit the same path to adjust other notification categories. Maybe you prefer vibration without sound, or you'd like different reminder categories to have distinct alert styles. The control is in your hands, and it's designed to adapt to how you work best. That's all it takes to enable vibration for Instagram reminders. A simple setting change that can improve your follow-through and keep you on track with your daily plan.